I've been using the iPhone ever since it came out. One of the biggest problems with it is there's no instruction manual. Apple doesn't provide a manual for the iPhone like you would get with a new TV or car. A lot of those iPhone features are super useful, but also very hard to find. They're buried in various settings menus or not mentioned anywhere at all. I've been using and covering the iPhone since it launched in 2007, and these are some of my absolute favorite hidden tricks. My #1 favorite trick? Getting rid of that ducking problem. If you have a word you use often and the iPhone keeps autocorrecting it to something else, go to Settings, General, scroll down to Keyboard, and Text Replacement. Tap the plus sign and enter the word you want it to remember in both fields. You can also add shortcuts for long phrases and email addresses. The iPhone also makes it super easy to share Wi-Fi passwords. If a friend's iPhone is trying to get on your Wi-Fi, a pop-up will notify you, and you can easily grant them access. If you have a problem reaching the keys with just one hand, you can force press on this globe icon and move the keyboard to the left or right. When you're done, just tap the arrow to move it back to the center. You can create your own vibrations and assign them to any of your contacts. Just go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone, Vibration, Create New Vibration. Tap out a pattern and save it. You can use it as your default vibration or just assign it to specific contacts. Just go to the contact, select Edit, Ringtone or Text Tone, then change the vibration. You can make the flash blink to signal new notifications. Just go to Settings, General, Accessibility, scroll down, and enable LED flash for alerts. Now when you have stuff coming in, the flash will blink. If you're tired of autocorrect changing words like we're to were and getting rid of your apostrophe, just type the last letter of the word twice, and the apostrophe will stay. If you're using the calculator and make a mistake, just swipe to the left or right in the number field and the last number will be deleted. Speaking of math, if you just need to do a simple and quick operation, just swipe down into the search bar. Enter your operation and the search bar will compute it for you. One last awesome trick, there's a hidden camera level, perfect for overhead shots. Go to Settings, scroll down, Camera, and enable the grid. When you hold your phone directly over something to take a photo, 2 crosshairs will appear. When you line them up, your phone will be perfectly level and you should take your photo. These are some of the best and most useful tricks. Apple is sure to add more. We'll keep you updated when they do.